Thank you so much for choosing to practice this 5-minute breathing meditation with me today. Just a quick note before we start. I just wanted to say that you do not need any meditation experience whatsoever to reap the benefits from this practice. So when you're ready, find a comfortable position, whether that's seated directly onto the earth. Perhaps you prefer to be in a chair with some backrest, or maybe you prefer to lie down. So you choose whichever position feels most comfortable for you today and begin to settle the body and settle into this practice, into this breathing meditation to calm your body, mind and breath. Once you've settled into your position, let your eyes gently close or just soften your gaze and we'll begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Take a few more deep breaths like this, allowing yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and a long, smooth, slow, steady exhalation through your mouth. Continue like this for a few more deep breaths. Next, I'm going to introduce 4-count breathing. So when you're ready to do so, on your next inhalation, deeply and silently as you breathe in, count to 4. At the top of your inhalation, hold your breath for a brief moment and then exhale slowly, counting to 4 again. So as you breathe in, slowly, steadily, silently, count to 4. Hold your breath briefly at the top of your inhale, and then as you exhale, slowly counting to 4 again. You pause briefly before inhaling once more, and we will continue this 4-count breathing pattern throughout this practice today. Please make sure that each breath is smooth and steady and completely calm. This simple technique helps to regulate your breath and also induce a sense of calmness. Inhale to 4, pause, exhale, 4, pause. Repeat this cycle and continue for a few more moments longer. As you continue your 4-count breaths, bring your awareness to your body. Starting from the top of your head, imagine a warm, soothing light spreading down through your body. As this light acts as a way to relax each part of your body as it progresses downwards, softening your forehead, releasing tension from your jaw, your shoulders, arms, chest, abdomen, hips, and all the way down to your toes. Imagine a warm, soothing light enveloping the whole of your body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. As thoughts or distractions arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently release them. Imagine them floating away like clouds in the sky, leaving you with a clear and peaceful mind. Refocus your attention on the sensation of your breath maintaining the 4-count breathing pattern. Keep your jaw relaxed, shoulders at ease. As you breathe in, count 4, pause, breathe out to a count of 4. As we conclude this meditation, take a moment to cultivate feelings of gratitude. Bring to mind something or someone you are grateful for. Hold this feeling of gratitude in your heart as you continue on with the rest of your day. Now, gently bring your attention back to the room. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Carry the sense of calm and tranquility you've created in this meditation as you move forward in the rest of your day. Remember that you can return to this breath meditation whenever you need to find calm and peace amongst the busyness of life. Regular practice can help you develop a deeper connection with your breath and inner stillness. This practice is now complete.